Well, we just learned about the feed water and steam drum. Now let's navigate to combustion air for boiler 1. This is showing the flow of air through the system to the burners. We can pull outside air or building air. If you want to switch your source, first you have to open the closed damper. Once it's open, you can then close the other one. The air coming in gets heated if it's below 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The steam coil air heater takes care of this with steam from the manifold. Over here, we have our fan. This is an 1100 horsepower fan. It's ran by a 4160 medium voltage starter. The fan supplies all the combustion air to the burners. After the burners, the flue gas goes through the economizer. The hot flue gas is used to preheat the boiler water. Then it goes up the stack through the CEMS, which stands for Continuous Emissions Monitoring System. Some of the flue gas gets recirculated for unburnt fuel and its heat. We have another recirc line here, and this is for light off. Now I'm going to cause a master fuel trip. I'm going to do it from this screen, but you could also do it from the panel view on the burner management system, and there will also be a push button in the control room. This will cut off gas to the burners and stop the process. Flames went out and all dampers will move to purge position. If you look over here at the purge permissives on the left and the first outs on the right, all these boxes on the left must be checked before the purge will start. If the purge gets interrupted at all, we will see a purge first out on the right side of the box. Down here we have a burner status. The purge will start soon. It normally lasts for 5 minutes, but we currently have it set at 30 seconds for the simulation. In purge position, the combustion air damper is open 80%, the flue gas recirc is open 100%, our fan recirc is closed, and the stack damper is 80%. Now we have purge complete checked in the burner status box. After we've fixed what caused the problem, we can reset the master fuel trip. Upon reset, all the dampers will go to light off position. 10% for the combustion air, 50% on the recirculation, closed for the flue gas recirculate, and 30% on the stack damper. These little circles represent limit switches that feed back to the BMS for verification of damper position. We are now ready to light off. We have a post-purge timer of 5 minutes. If you don't fire the burner during the 5 minutes, you will have to repeat the purge before you can light the burners. We're going to start this from the boiler's burner page. Everything is ready for light off. Our gas valves are set to light off position, which is 10%. Now we will start the burner from this faceplate. You could also start the burner from each boiler's panel view. You'll notice this valve will close, and these valves will open to supply pilot fuel. A spark igniter lights the pilot. Once the pilot is confirmed, the stabilizing fuel will open. Once stabilizing fuel is lit, the main burners will light. Each boiler has 2 burners, and they have to operate together. Now the main burners are lit, but we have to wait for everything to warm up before the BMS will release gas to modulate these valves. We don't modulate these valves till some criteria are met. A release gas to modulate from BMS. Our operating pressure is above 260 psi, and our operating temperature is above 240 degrees Fahrenheit. This is taken in the flue gas. When all 3 conditions are met, the boiler master will release it for modulation, which will modulate these valves to supply more gas to our burners. Our boiler is back online and will be modulating soon.